Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Most water heater repairs will require some disassembly of the product. Before you attempt this, shut off the power to the unit. To access a thermostat or heating element, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the mounting screw securing the access cover and pull the cover off. Move the insulation out of the way and remove the plastic cover. If you need to replace the thermostat, first note the orientation of the wires attached to the component. Then loosen the screws to release the wires. Pull the mounting bracket tabs forward to release the thermostat. Replace or reinstall the thermostat by aligning it on the bracket and snapping it into place. Attach the wires to the appropriate terminals on the thermostat and tighten the screws to secure. If you need to replace a heating element, make sure the water intake valve is closed. Next, drain all of the water from the tank by opening the drain valve. Be aware you should open a hot water faucet in the home to assist in releasing water from the tank. After draining the water, close the valve. Now note the orientation of the wires attached to the heating element and loosen the screws to detach them. Use a 1.5-inch socket or a heating element wrench to help unthread the element by rotating it counterclockwise. Before you reinstall or replace the heating element, confirm that the gasket is in place. Insert the element into the tank, then thread and tighten. Attach the wires to the appropriate terminals and tighten the screws to secure. Reposition the plastic cover. Reposition the insulation and realign the access cover. Replace the mounting screw to secure the cover. With the tank empty, you can remove and replace the anode rod, as well as the drain and pressure relief valves. If you need to replace the temperature and pressure relief valve, first use a pipe wrench to help unthread the discharge tube attached to the valve. Now use the wrench to help unthread the valve itself by rotating it counterclockwise. This may require some effort. Install the new valve by threading it clockwise into the tank, then tighten. Apply some sealant to the threads of the discharge tube. Then thread the tube into the new valve. You can use a 1 1/16 inch socket to help unthread the anode rod. Use needle nose pliers to help lift the rod out. When reinstalling or replacing the anode rod, apply some sealant to the threads. Then insert the rod into the tank, thread, and tighten. With the water heater fully reassembled, open the water intake valve and allow the tank to refill. Once the tank has been refilled, restore power to the unit, and your water heater should be ready for use.